We're here at Walmart this evening. We're going in here to get the games and things that we need for our summer Bible bash Saturday. That's what I call
Bible bash.
At church.
Folks, I'm in my 40s now. The first thing I do whenever I get out of the truck or we're fixing to go into a store or like at church or anything, the first thing I do most of the time is ask Fallon, do I got a booger in my nose?
Right. Am I alone? Tell me I'm not alone.
Now, folks,
I get asked that question almost every day.
Yeah, the last thing you want to do is be basically talking to people and have a little, little situation like that.
Little UFO.
So, yeah. Unidentified objects. Let's see. Let's find that here.
Oh, are you talking about the trimmer? Don't tell me you got to get another trimmer. You got to get another trimmer?
This is why.
Y'all, he's worn out 3 nose trimmers. There's something.
You get in your
Are you a
40s,
Sasquatch?
You need something high powered. They don't make it strong enough anymore. It's kind of like I need something that's going to be stouter to get rid of all this hair that's growing in my nose in my 40s.
Wow.
I mean, these things don't work right here. I'll choke that thing down right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think like he seriously.
You stick that thing in your nose, it'll just choke it slap down.
Mm-hmm.
That battery ain't gonna work. I need something that's gonna be high powered. I need something that runs on gas, probably. I need a weed eater. It's an ultimate comfort, no pulling guaranteed. Looky here. When I get in my 50s, I'm gonna start doing this. This is 40s, okay? This is 45. When you get 50, you actually start sprouting. I've been getting a lot of compliments. I really have.
Oh, on the way you smell, yes.
I'm Fallon, Tyler. I say lots.
Even
There's been 2
Sissy.
people.
Yeah,
Sissy.
no.
I got 3 people that's talked about the
Mainly.
4 people. And it's all because of Rainforest Rapids. That's what it is. Right there, everybody.
And the deodorant that he uses now, he don't use the same scent in deodorant, right?
Right. But y'all, I'm telling you something. If you start having longer hair nose, I'm sorry, I got that backwards. If you start having longer hairs develop in your nose, it will look like you got a little UFO. But it's a nose hair. It's a nose hair. It's a gray nose hair. She's really right. That's what it is. And if a little glare off a light or something, it's just right. People will think there's an unidentified object in your nose. Sierra Storm right here. This kind of smells like, this really almost smells like what I wore when we first got married or first started dating.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't realize I went on a few dates with Fallon and I married her. So, the end. We've been married ever since. And now she gets a hair out of my nose.
No, I don't.
You're not afraid to, though. Say if my hand was broke. You know what I mean?
I'd be there for you.
Yeah, you would.
So we're having the Summer Bible Bash Saturday.
The Summer Bible Bash Saturday.
There are going to be games, and there's going to be hot dogs.
We're in charge of getting the games here, so the bowling.
Bowling? Yeah.
Yeah, let's have bowling.
So I'm thinking we have some games set up, and we have a few little prizes, like.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we got bowling.
You got bowling. Yeah, that might be something to do. I mean, we don't know what it is, but we'll.
You try to throw this ball. There's 2 things on a string, and you try to throw it to land it on the lap.
Okay, get that right there. That's a good game. Yeah.
And then we're in the bubble section now. I mean, should we have bubbles floating?
You know what? Bubbles always make things happier. You take over at J Moore, you know what I mean? Them big bubbles.
Yeah, they used to have something like that here at Walmart. I was going to see if they had that. This is the bubble section.
I wonder if anybody would like to throw the ball and catch it. You know what I mean?
They might, yeah. $4.97, I'll throw it.
There you go.
Yeah,
okay, here's something else here. This is for 3 up though. I don't know.
Yeah,
it's gonna be hot out there. You know what I mean?
That, but what if it got real? You know?
Exactly. People got mad.
But yeah, I don't see the big. But you know what? I bet you could make that.
I could have some rope.
How does that do that deal at J Moore?
I don't know. 2 sticks, so I might end up finding a place to dig a well. You know what I'm saying? I mean, get out there. Girl, you better quit. That's the reason I don't trim them back too far. See, if that hits your nose, that hair, if you keep them long enough, that hair will push it back.
Can you make that if we get this? And see, we can just put this in.
Yeah, we'll figure it out somehow.
Okay.
Yeah. No. We'll just get you want to get one of these balls?
Yeah.
We'll get a ball. You never know. Kickball, a little kickball action.
And now I want to get another.
What about one of these? You never know.
We've got one snow cone maker.
We'll get one of these.
Get one more just in case it gets busy at the snow cone department. We can make 2 at a time. You see?
Okay. Yeah.
Now they have a little horseshoes right there.
Okay, well let's get that. That's a good idea.
Yeah. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Now look, this is a good little game. You want to get this?
Y'all can't see him, but as he's looking, he's like, "This is a good look."
This is a good game. Listen, you come to our Bible school, one thing you know is you'll be able to throw something. What kind of prizes should we get? You get candy, some of these little things here for, you know, well, I mean, I don't know about that. That's mega gross, you know what I mean? What in the world? Lord have mercy. What is that all about, you know? You never can go wrong with something else to throw.
Like there's this.
Or hit, you know? What about some hula hoops?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Might have some kind of contest with that. See who could do it the best?
Yeah.
You know? Here's one.
Do green and get that pink one right there.
What about this one? Okay, now here's some more. Here's some more games here that might be. That's a good, yeah, let's do that. I guess worst comes to worst, we could get some of these dumbbells. You know what I mean? If everybody gets have a weightlifting contest.
Where are the snow cone makers? Because I want to have 2.
I think they're right here. Y'all help us look. If you see it, type it in. Ma'am, do you know where those snow cone makers are? I-9. Okay. Okay. All right, thank you, ma'am. Appreciate that. Snoopy, where are you? Hold on. Let's look right here, Mama. How you doing, brother? Can't complain. They wasn't on the aisle that the other lady thought they were on.
Snow cone maker on I-10.
I-10. Okay. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome, brother.
Say yes, sir. You too.
I mean, I know it's small, but our other one, it'll still keep up. You know, I mean, it'll help us to keep up.
If we need to get 2 of them, get 2 of them.
Well,
you
they
know
only had this last one.
Okay. Well, let's make some cotton candy. You know what I'm saying? Let's go Gatlinburg on them.
Do we need any more shampoo or anything like that?
Maybe some shampoo. Let's go over and get some shampoo. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell y'all how I treated my dandruff problem. Well, this is getting personal. Castor oil, everybody.
That's no joke. It really
No more dandruff.
It made it go away. Like he can use even like
I can use
VO5 right now. And
VO5 wouldn't do nothing to me. I mean, but all jokes aside, I put castor oil on my scalp. Castor oil on my scalp. Yeah. And no more issues.
Right. It really did make it go away. No, he's not joking, and I'm not kidding y'all.
No, I'm not kidding.
Used VO5.
VO5, yeah. Nah,
it was bad.
I couldn't shake my head. I'm telling you right now, people need safety glasses. I mean, that's just crazy. Now it's made it up to $1.14. You want to get this for a price? I mean, I'm just telling you, this right here is $1.14. These are the type prices we need. Oh my goodness, you just rung that, little buddy. You got a VO5 conditioner. We could do this almost like the price is right. Here we go, folks. Right here, cinnamon pumpkin.
It's the Goose Creek cinnamon pumpkin.
Mama, me and you both know.
Daddy, please.
I will. We're getting it right now.
Look, they have a new one. This is cider and sweaters. I haven't seen that one yet.
Cider and sweaters, folks. Yeah. Cider and sweaters. Smells almost kind of the same, but you know what?
Yeah, more appley, but yeah.
These are comfort smells right here.
Oh, yeah.
For some reason, you could be having the blues.
Maple butter.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Life can get hard on you sometimes, folks. I'm going to be honest
Light a fall candle.
Bring me that red horse. Another good idea, in my opinion, if somebody won, really did good, to get them a congratulations. You did it!
Yeah.
You did it, bud! Way to go!
We gotta use this for the next kid, so you just look,
bud,
we'll take your picture with it.
Here, let me see. You got a phone. I know you do. You ain't before. Give me your phone. Okay, what are we getting over here?
I don't know. You started coming this way. I'm done in here.
Okay.
Oh, what is that? done this before.
Doing a good job.
It's blown up.
Yeah.
It needs to be pushed in.
We'll see if we can find out. If not, we'll
How is it?
Good.
I just won a VO5 conditioner.
Let me try.
A VO5 snow globe.
It's breakfast time. This morning we're gonna make these honey orange cottage cheese pancakes. This is from an old, is it Better Homes? Yeah, Better Homes and Gardens Farmhouse Cooking. Surprisingly, there's no orange juice or anything in the recipe. It's just orange zest. That's the only thing that's making them orangey. And this says it makes like 16 pancakes. I have some who want oatmeal and stuff this morning, so I'm gonna cut this in half. We need 3 eggs. Since we're just doing half the recipe, we need half of this container of cottage cheese. Just 8 ounces. One tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of melted butter. A teaspoon of vanilla. Got my butter melting in there. There's the butter. And we need a little bit of orange zest. It said a teaspoon for the whole recipe, so we just need about a half. We'll mix this together and then we'll start adding in the dry ingredients. Surprisingly, it smells very orangey from just that little bit of orange zest. We need 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And just a little bit of salt. Got the butter heating in the pan over here.
things are good. What a new world.